Well,
What?
I bet you don't know your ABC.
Oh, yeah.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do.
Let me hear you.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Fancy coming, play with me.
Oh, I love you, Mama. I just love you so much. Oh, I have to think about you every day. I miss you.
It doesn't come to me as him being famous as being dad. It really didn't faze me any because I feel like everybody else, like, dad is dad. I grew up with Rashida, Jamila, and Miriam. We was a close-knit family. And we knew about our other siblings. We would go, like say we had summer or winter break out of school. We would go to California where he stayed at Fremont Place. And we would meet up with all of our other siblings. And we had fun. We swim in the pool, bike ride. He used to always do magic tricks and stuff. I had a bit of a problem in school because a lot of kids wanted to see if I could fight like my father, and I really didn't want to do so. So they would pick on me a lot. I never really wanted to be in limelight. It's really no life for me. I just wanted to be a normal child. He actually said to me, I don't want you to be like me, I want you to be better than me. So, how can you be better than the greatest, huh?